My name is Didipya. So I am currently working as a product design team lead in Ascendion. Okay, so I'll just briefly tell you my journey actually started with a business. I was a digital business executive in an e-commerce sector. I come from a creative, passionate in me. I just wanted I don't want to totally come out from that creative zone. I was like, how should I enter into that zone again? Then I found like UI UX. So that's where actually because of e-commerce it boomed. So like, okay, that's great. It's been six plus years in the journey, and it was great actually. So it was very exciting, crazy projects, a lot of learning. It was great. So in that process, when I started realizing I'm not just a UX designer, I'm a product designer now. And then finally, I embraced the product designing and I successfully delivered things. And later, I thought I should have a proper, education format for this. So for me, in the space of learning, three things is that getting a one-on-one connect with the professors, because they are very specialized. They have seen diverse, they worked with diverse products, diverse industries, and so there's a practical approach they have seen. So that guidance in one-on-one sessions, that was really great. Apart from this, my program manager's point of experience, I will tell you, they are not just there to guide you like, okay, today is your session or tomorrow is your session. They actually tell you how you should take your journey, how much you should invest yourselves, how you should work on your capstones, how you should connect with your professors and all. So there's a proper guidance, and there is always, you feel that there is a person for you to push, and they actually do it. This is my very personal experience. I have gone through the program manager, for our corporate is amazing, and I actually got benefited from his suggestions. To be frank,
Right.
that was one great thing, because I did many other certifications, but I never got this experience, which I actually experienced with the program managers here. So that was a very, very, very insightful information they share actually. Naturally, I have seen the IPL learning curriculums or the information they share. Then I understood the importance of skill, and they actually make you realize why skill. And to be frank, I believed it, and I'm implementing that skill now, and I'm seeing the great difference, because I should say, my product understanding mindset has changed the day one before joining IPL and after joining IPL. I am really embracing this journey, and I would say many people should learn from here, I should say. One piece of advice I would love to give is, product is a journey which doesn't happen in a day or two. You have to put your mind and soul for that, to understand, experience, implement, and then you're in the product space.